How to fix no sound on Google Maps phone and Android. Google Maps not talking while you're driving? Let's fix it in just a few simple steps so you can hear turn-by-turn directions again. First, let's check the most common cause. Make sure your phone isn't set to silent mode. If it is, switch it back to ring mode. Then press the volume up button and make sure your media volume is turned up. If everything looks good, let's check the Google Maps settings. Now open the Google Maps app. Once it opens, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap Navigation. Under Sound and Voice, make sure the voice option is set to unmuted. Then find Guidance Volume and change it to louder. This makes voice directions much easier to hear while driving. If you're connected to your car, Bluetooth could be causing the problem. To test this, turn off Bluetooth and start navigation again. If you can hear the directions now, the issue is likely with your Bluetooth connection. If you want to use your car speakers, swipe down from the top of your screen, turn on Bluetooth, and make sure your phone is connected to the correct vehicle. If Google Maps is still silent, try one last fix. Restart your phone. If that doesn't help, uninstall Google Maps, then install the latest version again. This can fix problems caused by a corrupted app update or temporary software issue. If your Google Maps voice is working again, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials that help you solve everyday phone problems in just a few minutes. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Google Maps when voice navigation isn't working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.